I see a lot of love. I see a lot of respect. I see a lot of people working hard.
Yeah, man.
So, in wrapping up and closing up, I didn't want to take this long, but I guess you can consider it part of my introduction.
It's important.
Yes. And for Brother Irvin, he wanted me to speak a little bit more about the Rockets and what I do. And what we do with the Rockets is that each student is able to build their own rocket, and they're able to take it home with them. But the only way they can do it is first they got to learn the math and the science. So I first take them to the math and the science, the rocket math, the rocket science.
Rocket man.
So we get introduced to the equations of motions of objects in free space. There are two equations. One equation that determines the height of an object in free space, and the other equation that determines the velocity of objects. So I taught them those equations, and what happened is that when we do the experiment now with the high-flying rockets, all we do is measure the time of a flight from since it launched till it reaches to maximum height. And with that time of flight, we plug it into the calculus equations, and we're able to calculate the launch velocity for the rocket, we're able to calculate how high the rocket flew, we're able to calculate the thrust, and other different math and science quantities, which I've been teaching them for time. So, I just have fun. And don't tell Mama Virgie that I'll do my job for free. That's how much I love math and science, you know? And she's been looking out for me from day one, Mama Virgie. I love her so much. 7 years now I've been at you. Okay, so that's what I say. You know Mama Virgie too. She, matter of fact, her husband is from the Gambia, and she comes back and forth to Africa regular, non-stop, you know? So, in closing up, can I give you one more song?
Yeah!
Okay. So what I like about Africa is the righteousness. So I want to sing the song.
That's fine.
It's a big, big, big challenge. It's a big challenge that we live in, that we facing. The road to righteousness is straight and narrow. It's easy to be bad, it's hard to be good. You've got to be good, 'cause you know you should. You know you should. To meet the challenge you would. That's why it's a big, big lossy eyesight. That's what's a big, 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 a big, big challenge for righteous, righteous, righteous living. It's a big, 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 a big, big challenge for righteous, righteous, righteous living. Righteous living is doing it. And that's what's about. And that's what's happening in Ghana. And that's what I see here. Whole bunch of righteous living. That's why I had to give you that one. Thanks, Sister Peppy.
Yeah, all right. High five, Rastafari.
His Majesty.
You know, Russ spoke long, but his story was so perfect for where we are right now in relevance.
I'm so glad to have that.
It ties in so much to that quote I was telling you, make no apologies.
Thank you for your
Here's
generosity.
a man that could have gone against his true calling, cut off from locks to be a millionaire, and he chose Africa instead.
Come on, make it.
He is the epitome of Pan-African. Please put your hands together for Russ Marvin.
Russ Marvin.
And then, ATL in the house. So